Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Thomas and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the interior bulbs and the boot bulbs on this Nissan Juke behind me, so stay tuned for this video. So to change the interior bulbs on the new Juke, literally pull this out like so from there, clips in like that. You literally pull that down and those clips there, and it'll get access to the bulbs, which we're going to be changing to halogen from the current LED ones that we installed beforehand. And you're just going to go in and let you touch the LED and pull it out like that. So here we have the little light. We're going to clip it in like so. Hard to do with one hand. There we go. There we go. And then we're just going to clip this guy in place. Like so. So for the middle one, we're just going to start from this side, the passenger side, and then pull the plastic casings out. There we go, to expose the bulb. As you can see, slightly different style. So we're going to replace it with this one, halogen, and it just kind of slides in. So it's hard to see, but these little clips there, slide that, pull that back, slide it in, and when you put it in reverse, put that in and pull that back and slide it in, like so. And go ahead and clip the plastic back on. 1, 2, 3, snap together. And it just clicks in with one hard snap. So you just remove this interior panel by putting your hand there, and it all unclips out quite aggressively with these white clips, as you can see, and that's your piece of interior boot. Once we're done, and we're just going to change the registration plate lights. So to change the registration bulb, we're just going to twist and pull him out. And as you can see, there's the LEDs, and we're just going to change that back to halogen. There we go, and then we slot it back in, insert and twist, like so. And you can just repeat that process for the next light. So we're just going to insert the halogen bulb into the housing unit, click, insert into the hole, twist, and rotate into clicks again. So we're just going to insert the boot lining back into place. As you can see, try and line up these white holes in there and clip it. Just give it a good bang, like so, and that's it. Back to factory fresh. We do have these little clips that go in there, and then you push it in to hold it in place, and then push in, and that snaps together. So the last one is the interior boot light. Use your fingers just to pull this plastic casing off. So now we've unclipped this, you can see the light's exposed, and we're just going to change this last light from LED to halogen. Just going to slide the halogen into the housing unit, like so, and then we're just going to snap clip the power into the plastic case. Ta-da! And there we go, that's the boot changed. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching this video. Hope you guys found this video useful and informative. If you've got any comments on this Nissan Juke, please comment below, and we'll be doing the process again with converting the halogen to the LEDs in my next video. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next video. Ciao.